Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Bunch. So many of you reached out with, what is this? How do you use it? Why do you use it? But today, let's chat pick machines. They're a fabulous tool. It allows you to put an artificial stem onto a product. It's a steel pick. They come in different sizes. So then the question is always, how do you load it? Well, each machine has a little weight when you pull that off. Then the picks come banded together. Do not undo that. First hint, always leave that on until you get it into the frame. Then you can go ahead and tear that off. Otherwise, those picks could fly everywhere, and you don't want that. Slide it down, put the weight back on. Then when you use it, you clamp forward, pull back, and there it is. And you can see 3" and 1 3/8 inch, so two different sizes. Now, let's take a look at how they're used. First use with the popularity of dried materials now, it's absolutely fabulous to take dried stems, cluster them together, give it a cut, then pull it forward, clamp it back, and put that artificial stem on. It's easy then to design directly into your arrangements. For ribbon, you can take bits, loop it, clamp it, work that into your arrangement. One broken bunny tail, get that out of there. Or adding just streamers, tails, for fresh product, not so good because it won't drink. But grasses, that's not a problem because they're going to drink no matter what, and they dry, so it's pretty great. You can do it looped, taking the good ends, clustering them together, clamping it, then repeating that, clipping the opposite end, grouping them all together, and then inserting them, creating curved lines in your arrangement, or just taking the stems, clustering them together, and letting them just extend, creating beautiful streamer effect to your designs. Now, if you do a lot of sympathy work where it's not in water, using carnations, roses, chrysanthemums, you can pick each stem and then place that directly in. And it's nice and secure. Will handle all of the delivery needed in sympathy work. So now you know how to use your pick machine in so many different ways.